Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a quick patch I made for Textools. So the patch is about baking pairs, which can sometimes be a bit annoying when you when you're trying to bake a low poly model with a subsurf modifier or a bevel modifier, because Textools considers as soon as you get one of these two modifier on your object, it considers it's a high poly model. So it was pretty annoying to me because I tend to keep my modifiers even on my low poly models, because I found some techniques to make them fine even with modifiers. So anyway, so the patch was simply to be able to disable this modifier check for your bake pairs. So right now you can see that I have two cube, one simply low poly without suffix identifier, and the one with high identifier. And you can see that now it considers both the objects as high poly because my cube has a bevel modifier. So I just uncheck this modifier checkbox, and now it's recognized both model as the low poly and the high poly model. The other thing with the bake pairs is parenting options. Textool by default consider that if your model is parented to another one, it's support or high poly, and if you select them, you can see that with if you keep the modifiers, it's fine. However, if you disable the modifier, it will just simply consider them as two low poly. So make sure, if you want to not consider the parent, to uncheck the parent and know you have your bake pairs set correctly. Last feature I added to Textool is the ability to bake the emissive map and the roughness map. I forgot S, but the roughness map. Metallic map is not yet working, so I will remove it. But I hope to someday have the time to make a patch to be able to bake the metallic. But roughness and emissive are working right now. So one last thing is that I made this prior to the latest patch from SavMartin, so you might not have the the rectify no the align tool of the latest patch working. So I hope to have the time to merge both code, or maybe SavMartin will be okay to do it. I don't know, but hope you found it useful. Bye bye. Thank you.